Dear students, welcome back once again to our mathematics video class. In this video, we are going to solve a case study problem based on pair of linear equations. Come on children, let's move on to the discussion. The question is, a lending library has a fixed charge for first 2 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Raghav paid rupees 40 for a book and kept for 8 days, and Renu paid rupees 64 for the book and she kept for 12 days. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Question number 1. What are the fixed charges? Question number 2. What are the additional charges? Question number 3. Find the amount to be paid by Raghav and Renu if both of them keep the book for 22 days and 28 days respectively, as per the fixed charges and additional charges given in part 1 and 2. Question number 4. If the fixed charge is for 3 days and additional charge for each day thereafter, then how much they have to pay if they keep the book for the same 8 days and 12 days respectively. Dear students, to solve this problem, we need to derive two linear equations according to the conditions. Here, the common condition is a book have a fixed charge for 2 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Now we need to construct the equations. Let x be the fixed charge for 1 day and let y be the additional charge for each day thereafter. We can also take x be the fixed charge for 2 days and y be the additional charge for each day thereafter. You can choose which option is easy. According to the first condition, what is the first condition? That is, Raghav paid rupees 40 for a book and kept for 8 days. Total days kept is equal to 8. Days covered by fixed charges is 2. That's given in the question itself. Additional days, that's equal to 8 minus 2, that is 6 days. Total amount paid is 40 rupees. So our equation be 2x plus 6y is equal to 40 or x plus 3y is equal to 20. That is the equation number 1. And according to the second condition, that is, Renu paid rupees 64 for the book and she kept for 12 days. So total days kept is 12 days and days covered by the fixed charge is equal to 2 days and the remaining days is 12 minus 2, that is 10 days. So total amount paid is 64 rupees. So the equation is 2x plus 10y is equal to 64 or x plus 5y is equal to 32. That is the equation number 2. Now, moving on to the first question, what are the fixed charges? So we need to find the value of x. Solving the equation 1 and 2, we get the answer. We have x plus 3y is equal to 20, x plus 5y is equal to 32. Subtract these equations, we get 2y is equal to 12, y is equal to 6. Substitute the value of y in equation 1. We get x plus 3 into 6 is equal to 20 or x plus 18 is equal to 20, that is x is equal to 2. So the fixed charge for a day is rupees 2. So the fixed charge for 2 days is equal to 2 into 2, that is equal to 4 rupees. We also get the value of y, that is equal to 6. So the second question, additional charges for a day is equal to y, that is equal to rupees 6. So the third question, find the amount to be paid by Raghav and Renu If both of them keep the book for 22 days and 28 days respectively, as per the fixed charges and additional charges given in the part 1 and 2. So, Raghav keep the book for 22 days. So, the fixed charge covered by days is 2 days. Remaining days is 22 minus 2, that is equal to 20 days. So we know that x is equal to 2 rupees and y is equal to 6 rupees. So the total amount to be paid is equal to 2 into 2 plus 6 into 20. That is 4 plus 120. That is rupees 124. Renu keep the book for 28 days. The fixed charge covered by days is 2 and the remaining days is 28 minus 2, that is equal to 26. So the amount to be paid by Renu is 2 into 2 plus 6 into 26, that is equal to 4 plus 156, that is equal to 160 rupees. If the fixed charge is for 3 days and the additional charges for each day thereafter, then how much they have to pay if they keep the book for the same 8 days and 12 days respectively. We know that fixed charge for 1 day is rupees 2. So fixed charge for 3 days is equal to 3 into 2, that's equal to 6. Also additional charges per day is equal to rupees 6, that's already we find. Raghav keep the book for 8 days. So the fixed charge covered days is 3 and the remaining days is 8 minus 3, that's equal to 5. And the amount to be paid by Raghav is equal to 6 plus 5 into 6, that is equal to 6 into 30, that is equal to 36 rupees. Renu keep the book for 12 days. That is, the fixed charge covered by days is 3 and the remaining days for Renu is 12 minus 3, that is equal to 9. And the amount to paid by Renu is equal to 6 plus 9 into 6, that is equal to 6 plus 54, that is equal to rupees 60. That's all, dear students, in this video. Stay tuned for the next video class. Your exams are nearby. Study well, prepare well. If you have any doubt, please comment on the comment box. We will solve the problems. Thank you. Stay tuned.